This is how you can make restaurant style chicken curry right at your home. Start with marinating your chicken, for which I will take 3 tablespoons of yogurt. This will also help thicken the gravy. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chilli for the heat, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chilli for color, half teaspoon garam masala, a few drops of oil, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and juice from half a lemon. I am going to use whole spices, so I have added only half a teaspoon of garam masala. But if you don't have whole spices, you can increase the garam masala a bit. It's always better to marinate your chicken for at least 2 hours before making your curry. This gives the chicken time to soak in all those spices, and it tastes even better if you leave it overnight. Once your spices are mixed with the yogurt, add the chicken. I have added 1 kg of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I have cut into bite-sized pieces. Usually dark meat is preferred for chicken curry as it's juicier and more flavorful due to the high fat content. Some people prefer bone-in curry cut pieces, but the choice is totally yours. Use whatever you like. Just make sure the chicken is well coated in the marinade, and now we will keep it in the refrigerator for few hours. Let's prepare the curry now. For this I will take 2 onions and slice them roughly. You can cut these however you want as the shape won't matter. Now heat a decent amount of oil, something like 2 big spoonfuls, and yes, this is the hidden restaurant secret behind a rich chicken curry. Add 1 black cardamom, 2 to 3 cloves, 1 dry red chilli, 1 to 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add your onions and keep the heat medium high. We have to cook these onions until they turn brown. This will take around 10 to 12 minutes. Because of the good quantity of oil, the onions cook quickly and this step becomes super easy. After around 6 to 7 minutes, you will notice the onions starting to change color. Mix everything well and just let them cook for another 5 minutes. So after about 10 to 12 minutes, you can see these onions have started turning brown. This is the right stage to reduce the heat to medium, because cooking it any further will make the onions black. Now we are going to remove all the extra oil we have used. You can reuse this oil in other recipes as it has a nice onion flavor. Try to drain out as much as you can, and now we will add some spices. Add half a teaspoon haldi and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder for color. We will also add half cup of water as it prevents the spices from burning and helps soften the onions. Adding these spices at this stage gives a really good color to your curry. Now while the onions are cooking, let's prepare the other ingredients. You will need 3 tomatoes, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli and a small piece of ginger, which I have missed, but do add the ginger as it gives a lovely flavor. We are going to blend all of this into a puree. You can also use canned tomato puree, but fresh tomatoes always taste better. But again, use whatever you prefer. Add your tomato puree to the onions and add a bit of water into the jar to get the leftover puree. Add 1 teaspoon salt, and now we are going to cook this puree until all the water evaporates. I am going to cover it to make it quicker. This will take around 10 to 12 minutes, and you can increase the heat to speed it up, but stay close and check every 2 to 3 minutes. Tomato puree dries quick and can stick to the pan if the heat is too high, so be careful. After around 7 to 8 minutes, most of the water has evaporated, so I am going to add some spices now. Add 1 teaspoon dhania powder, half teaspoon chili powder for the heat and 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaves. Also add up to 1/3 cup of water. Mix everything and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You can also add chicken masala if you have it at home, but it's totally optional. In about 2 to 3 minutes, this base masala is ready. So now I am going to add my marinated chicken and we will cook everything together. Add a little water to the bowl to get all the leftover marinade. and increase the heat to medium high. Start mixing until it comes to a boil. If you notice, our onions have completely broken down because we have used enough oil at the beginning. A good well-cooked base masala is the real key to a great chicken curry. Keep cooking the chicken uncovered for around 5 minutes. By doing this, the outer layer of chicken changes color and the juices start releasing. After 5 minutes, you will see the gravy has started boiling. So now reduce the heat to medium and cook it covered for another 10 to 15 minutes. At this stage, your dish is almost ready. You just have to cook the chicken until it's completely done. Boneless chicken cooks quickly, so for me it won't take more than 10 minutes. But if you are using big pieces or bone-in chicken, it can take around 15 to 20 minutes. Just remove the lid and check every 5 minutes because we don't want anything to burn. Keep checking it periodically. In about 10 to 12 minutes, you can see the oil has separated and it's already smelling amazing. So now I'm going to check the chicken to make sure it's cooked. My chicken is soft and fully done, so I will taste the gravy as well. The salt was a little low, so I have added half teaspoon more, and with this my chicken curry is ready. You can garnish it with fresh cilantro leaves. If you are having this with rice, you can add some water to increase the gravy. Just make sure to use hot water. I am happy with this consistency, so I am going to enjoy it just like this. Hope you enjoy the video and I will see you in the next one.